If you clicked on this video, you want to know how to send emails to new customers who stop replying, so you can apply the same to your business. My name is Peter, and I have studied what business people do for 15 years. To say that I have spent countless hours watching their content is an understatement. I have helped other business owners through my advisory service to move faster in their business. This is the auto reply email day 2. When you see words in capital letters, fill it in with your service and details about your service. Dear sir, I have something valuable for you, and I have a gift voucher for the service worth euros with a 100% discount, so that you can try before you buy. The voucher is valid for 30 days from today. It is for the ideal customer who qualifies with this condition. You can start by filling out the questionnaire here, yourwebpage.com, or you need to choose at least 4 different appointments via the calendar here, and I will confirm one out of them. Or please write me on WhatsApp when you can talk. Have a nice day. This was the second part of 3 emails that you sent. Watch other videos to see other parts. Throughout this video, we looked at what and how to send the email to new customers who stop replying. But just knowing what to do is not enough if you don't have the system to actually find, onboard, and service customers successfully. That's why if you are a business owner and you are looking to progress in your business, I can help. I run a business advisory service where I improve all processes in a business, from advertising, price list correction, online and offline business presentation, fixing sales process and churn, without you wasting years of learning it yourself. I helped other business owners to improve their businesses, and I can help you do the same. If that sounds like what you need, book a free call. You can find the link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.